Here we are on a beautiful morning, and the reason we're here is I want to do some very quick tests with my new toy, the DJI NEO 2, and I'm going to do it with the app on the phone and just see what it's capable of, really. Maybe do a little bit of tracking and see what happens. So at the moment I've got it in follow mode, so I'm going to show you some cool little tricks that it does. So first of all, I'm going to put my phone. Yeah, you don't need the phone to do this, but it's nice to have the phone on the handlebars just to keep track of things. So let's start this.
Tom Steezy.
3, 2, 1.
So yeah, there he is. Off he goes. He's doing a little bit of following. I can walk around, and he can follow me around. I put my hand up, and you see the little blue light. So if I want him over there behind me, walk around, and I know this little guy is going to follow me around. Put my hand up again, blue light goes, move him down, move him up. It's an inanimate object, I don't know why I call it a him. But look, it's fantastic, and what we're going to do is we're just going to see how well it tracks on the bike, because I can actually control it from the phone as well. So let's go behind me, a bit further away. But the good thing about this particular device is it has proper object detection. So in theory, it shouldn't crash into anything, but that could be very much famous last words. But it will add a lot of extra dynamic to my channel. Now, at the moment, he's right over, almost sort of there. There we go. Let's see how well it does following me up here. I've got to make sure I look that way and not at the drone. I've just got to concentrate on what I'm doing. Oh, before we do anything, let's turn off that traction control and turn off the ABS as well. This might be a problem. I've got my... Right, we do not want it connected to the carpet. We don't want it connected to the CHIGEE. Right, let's go. This is a second gear kind of track. How fast are we going? 18. Seems to be tracking me well. Yep, much better than the NEO tracks me. And what I'll do, I'll turn around up here. Let's see what he does as I turn around. Bit boggy here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it you just use your hand. Go up a bit, mate, there we go. Bit further down. Bit up, there we go. Look at that. Back to the way. It'd be interesting to see how well it avoids bits and pieces down here. through the puddle, just clean the bike. But hey, it's good. We have a crash. We have a crash. Let's go and find out where said crash was. I reckon he crashed into that massive barn. Oh great, where are you? Oh no. That's a good start. Oh, he's over there. What are you doing over there? I thought he was going to be in the bush. Yeah, you can talk. Well, it looks okay. We're off again. Yeah, so we'll look back on that footage and have a look what it crashed into. It must have been, I'm thinking that, and it just went over there. So that's interesting because I've seen a few people say that it doesn't like objects from the side, it only likes to follow. So we'll see. We'll try and turn it back on. So it seems all right. I mean, that's the good thing about these. They are robust. They, you know, they can take a pounding. So let's try again.
3, 2, 1.
Hi. Need to be a bit further away than that. I wonder if it hit that. Did you hit that? There's like a tree there. So I have heard that trees tend to be a bit of an issue for them. Why are you flying backwards and forwards like a nutcase? Probably because the building behind you. So go behind me. There we go. Let's try again. Actually, what I want it to do is be more there, but a bit further out than that and higher. Let's see how that plays out. Don't crash again. Come beside me. I don't really need to stand. Why are you in front of me? You appear to be, hello, in front of me. Oh, it's a good enough shot, I suppose. Me standing up on the bike. See, a little bit unpredictable, aren't they? Because you're relying on that automation to kind of deal with it. Now it's almost like it's picked up what the app said rather than what my gesturing said. Right, let's give it another turn around. Turn around. No, don't sing, Tom. No one likes you singing. Also, no one likes you falling off your bike. Well, it might do. See, what it's done there is it's actually defaulted to what the app says. Now, I want to go behind this time because I don't want it crashing into trees and stuff. Let's let him get behind. Him! It's a thing, Tom. It's not an him. Him. Right, we've got 2 minutes left on the battery, apparently. Now, is it a wise thing to go? Yeah. Shouldn't take 2 minutes. Still nervous of it. So, oh look, another van. There's like literally no one comes up here, and then all of a sudden we have every man and their dog, and he would have run my drone over if he'd been there earlier, so that would have been fun. Right, let's hope he can just completely ignore the drone. There we go. Right, I'm going to get this one down because he's running out of battery, but how cool is that? Apart from that little mishap, we've done alright. Because I do not want him landing in a... It's not a him, Tom. Here he comes. Here it comes. Okay, so we've got some limitations with this little unit. One of those being the fact that it doesn't like trees. I think trees without leaves on them are going to be an issue. But, you know, we learn. There's no damage done, which is absolutely fantastic. But the other limitation that I'm slowly learning is the poor battery. The battery is pathetic. It's worse than the Neo. Probably, you know, it's got more weight. It's got more things on it. It's got more features. So hopefully DJI will come out with a bigger battery. They didn't with the Neos, but it would make a hell of a lot of difference if we could actually fly it for longer than, well, realistically 10 minutes. Especially if you're wanting to fly to somewhere with the remote. Yeah, it's not great, but performance wise, picture quality, the following aspect, it's all good. So yeah, let's put a new battery in it, shall we? Just using my rider bag here, just also filming for this as well, so I thought I'd kill two birds with one stone. Getting the battery in can be a bit of a palaver. You sort of have to put it in like that and sort of level it up and push it down. So one of the other aspects of this is it's got like the quick shots as well, so you could do like spin around and stuff like that, and which is excellent. And so yeah, you can actually set up these quick shots, so it will do automated quick shots. But that's great if you're doing like social media stuff. So if we go into settings and we go down to video, we can change to portrait mode, 60 frames per second. That's a great thing as well. The Neo was great, the picture quality was good on 1080, but it didn't have 60 frames per second on 4K. This one does. So we can do circle, up to 10 meters, up to 20 meters. But I've just changed it to portrait mode. We don't look at the album. I've just done it to portrait mode. So we should see, yeah, so all it does is it just crops. I can do it from there. It just crops the image in. What would have been good is if the camera actually turned like that in the gimbal. But, you know, beggars can't be choosers.
3, 2, 1.
So now we'll get a nice circle shot of me sitting on the bike. He goes whee all the way round. Like so. And I think he'll come back in now. Here he comes. Put the hand out. And he lands. So, you know, you get some really nice, quick, easy shots. There's loads of others. You got rocket, follow from the front and stuff like that. But essentially, for me, this provides a tool to do two things. Not only do things like that, but I can also then go out and actually do drone as well, because do some droning, like proper droning, because it is a really good camera on it for what I need. It's not going to be professional use, it's just for playing really. So yeah, I'm dead chuffed with that. So apart from the little mishap with the crash, it's all good. It's all good in the hood. So thanks guys for watching. It's going to pick up my hand. We might have to turn the gestures off. I don't. Brilliant. That's a problem. You can't talk to the camera without it seeing your hands. Right, let's try again. You can turn off the gesture control. Right, start. Let's try again. Let's try again. So I've had to turn the gesture control off to enable me to have a little bit of fun. So, what a great little tool, if I'm honest. I think this is a perfect tool. Why the gesture control is off? Well, that's frustrating. It just wants to land on my hand. I'm going to have to keep my hands down by my side, I think. Let's try again. Let's try again, Mr. Drone, shall we? Thanks, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We've got loads more to do with this little drone. I'm hoping that as the videos progress, we'll get more use out of it. Anyway, if this is your first time watching the channel, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Tom's TC. Right, you can come back in now. There you go. Woo!